of an issue here on this matte paint protection film. Most people don't know this, but paint protection film is 3 times the cost of vinyl. So when we have a panel that actually messes up, whether it be the material manufacturer's fault or our fault, it's really expensive for us to remove it. But right here you'll notice that there's actually a little groove, and it's caused by the adhesive actually coming off on the back side of this. And because the adhesive came off, we're not able to cure it. There's no adhesive on the back side of that portion anymore, and you can see that. So it makes it really visible on this. I don't know if that's the material manufacturers. We'll contact them, see what they can do for us. But right now we're actually gonna strip this whole piece off, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and get a new piece on. So I think there goes at least 500 bucks.
Beautiful.
500 bucks, gone.
Rip. Well, that's what it costs when you do things right.
Yeah. Alright guys, so what do you think? We got one yellow, we got one stock. The yellow, it's a different look, man, with the all black truck. Looks really good actually. So there you go guys, Ford Raptor 2023 headlight yellow paint protection film. Stay tuned, we'll show you all the finished product, but man, this stuff looks great. Hey guys, Nick with Raptor Ride San Antonio. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We have a 2023 Ford Raptor. We did the works on this. Matte paint protection film, gloss paint protection film, yellow paint protection film on the headlights, wheel and tire package, powder coated, full window tint. If you need any type of services for your automotive or commercial businesses, give us a shot and we'll get you taken care of.